Learning how to swim breaststroke is a valuable skill that offers numerous benefits. Unlike other strokes, breaststroke doesn't require the swimmer to turn their head to breathe, making it ideal for beginners. It's a slower stroke, offering better control and reduced injury risk. Whether you're swimming in open water or a pool competition, mastering breaststroke can be a game changer. Let's dive into the details of mastering this technique. The arm movement in breaststroke, known as the breaststroke pull, is unique. Both arms move simultaneously in a double arm action, propelling the swimmer forward. The arms follow a figure-8 pattern, sweeping outwards and then converging in front of the body. This repetitive action gives breaststroke its distinctive rolling motion. With practice, this movement becomes second nature. The breaststroke kick is another defining feature. Timing is crucial. The legs start their motion when the arms are midway through their stroke, ensuring maximum power and thrust. The kick resembles a frog's, with legs pushing off the pool floor and drawing up towards the chest. For effective propulsion, it's essential to maintain resistance throughout the kick. The leg finish, a vital part of the stroke, provides the force to move forward and lift the body out of the water. The body position for breaststroke is specific. Eyes looking forward, shoulders rolled back, and hips down. Engaging the abdominal muscles helps maintain this posture. The starting position is crucial. Unlike the front crawl, in breaststroke, the arms are positioned alongside the body. Feet pointed straight back, and the chin rests on the chest. This position sets the foundation for a powerful stroke. The fully extended position offers maximum resistance, helping swimmers move faster. However, it can be tiring and is often used for short speed bursts. The glide phase, at the beginning of each stroke, is when the swimmer is at their fastest. Maintaining a strong body position during this phase is key for speed and efficiency. The body line in breaststroke should be straight from head to heels. The arms move in a synchronized motion, and the legs perform a flutter kick. Proper breathing technique is vital. The most efficient way is to breathe every 2 strokes, inhaling while extending the arms and exhaling while sweeping them back. Proper propulsive arm action, coordinated with the leg kick, ensures maximum efficiency. Common mistakes include arching the back and kicking with the knees instead of the hips. To perfect your breaststroke technique, focus on a strong kick. Keep your arms close to your body and practice regularly. Mastering breaststroke can significantly enhance your swimming experience.